Hi friends, so it sometimes can happen that in the exported PDF file there suddenly is a page that is blank or white, or maybe a page that hasn't been exported correctly. Now this issue is very easy to fix, and I'll show you in this video how you can easily fix this issue on your own. So let's say you have exported a planner with multiple pages, can be a digital planner or just a normal planner. Let's say, for example, page 15 has a missing page, or the page is just white. What you would do is you would go back to your planner and then navigate to page 15. So right here you go to 15 and then click on it. And by clicking on it, you actually trigger the system to reload all the widgets, all the stylings and settings. And it will also resend all the information and code to the server. So the server has all the information to re-export your planner in the next round. The easiest way is just to reload, open up the page, make sure everything is showing, and also make sure everything is showing here. Sometimes the fine lines don't show up here. That is fine. Just make sure that the main things are showing here in the multiple page menu. Once you have done that, you would go back to the export menu and then you would re-export your planner. Once your planner has been exported, you would then open it up and then check again if everything is on the planner or if anything is still missing. Now, if you still have missing pages in your planner after reloading the pages, or maybe if a big chunk of your planner is missing, something else you can do is, for example, also open up the Apply Style to Pages button up here. And then the only thing you would want to select is the margin, just so nothing moves around and all the sizes and margins and padding stay the same. So just have margin selected, and then you will click on Apply to Pages, Apply Style to Pages. And what this will do is it will run through each page and trigger all the informations to be reloaded and then sent to the server. And then once this has finished and all the information has been re-uploaded to the server, you then can click on Save Export again and then see if all the pages are there. Now, worst case, let's say nothing is loading, you have tried everything, you still have blank pages, just message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will look into your issue and try to help you as good as I can. So usually these issues can be fixed. Just reach out to us, best on social media, Facebook or Instagram, and I will try to help you as good as I can.